Morning. It's been a little while. I've done a project 365, I've done a project 366, and now I'm just going to do a video a day on pretty much the things that I love. So I love gardening. Let's do that one. Today we're going to take you on to 4 jobs that I do, that I have today. However, I love coffee. I love making sourdough, getting my exercise back at 52. So this year is going to be a journey of this, that, and everything, but everything I love. Let's do it.